2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows. The open road is calling. Drive it home today.